Are you dreaming of crystal clear, glowing skin just like in Korean beauty trends? I'll share 5 Korean beauty secrets that are simple, natural, and incredibly effective for achieving that flawless, glass-like skin, and you don't need to spend more money on expensive products. Disclaimer. Before using any remedies, ensure you wash your face first. Let's get started. Cucumber Rice Mask. The Cucumber Rice Mask is a fantastic DIY skincare remedy that offers multiple benefits like hydration, brightening, and soothing the skin. Ingredients: cucumber, rice flour, honey and rose water, optional. Steps to make the mask: peel the cucumber and blend it into a smooth paste. Strain it to extract cucumber juice. Combine 2 tablespoons of rice flour with the cucumber juice to form a smooth paste. Optional rose water. Add a few drops of rose water if the paste is too thick. How to apply: wash your face to remove any dirt or makeup. Spread the mask evenly over your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Gently rinse off with lukewarm water, massaging in circular motions to exfoliate. Benefits of the Cucumber Rice Mask: reduces puffiness, soothes irritation, reduces dark spots, and hydrates the skin. Use this mask 1 to 2 times a week for best results. Yogurt Almond Mask. Now let's move on to the Yogurt Almond Mask, which exfoliates and nourishes the skin. Ingredients: plain yogurt, unsweetened, almond powder, aloe vera gel. Mix the ingredients: 1/2 cup plain yogurt, 2 TBSP almond powder, 1 and 1/2 tablespoon aloe vera gel in a bowl. Stir until you get a smooth paste. Apply the mask. Gently spread the mask over your clean face, avoiding the eye area. Leave the mask on for 10-15 minutes to allow the nutrients to absorb. Rinse your face with lukewarm water, gently massaging in circular motions for light exfoliation. Pat your skin dry and apply your favorite moisturizer to lock in hydration. Benefits: almond powder provides gentle exfoliation. Yogurt is rich in probiotics and lactic acid, which brighten and soften the skin. DIY Rice Toner. Steps to make and use: prepare the rice water. Take 1 to 2 cup of uncooked rice. Wash the rice 3 to 4 times to remove impurities. On the last rinse, gently rub the rice to release its nutrients. Soak the rice. Add 1 cup of water to the washed rice. Let it soak at room temperature for about 30 minutes. Use a strainer to separate the rice water into a clean container. Pour the rice water into a bottle and keep it in the refrigerator. Use within 5 days to ensure freshness. Optional. For fermented rice water, for extra nutrients, leave the strained rice water at room temperature for 24 hours. Rice water is rich in vitamins and amino acids that promote glowing, clear skin and adds a boost of moisture without clogging pores. Banana and Honey Nourishing Mask. The Banana and Honey Mask is perfect for dry, dull, or tired skin. This pack leaves your skin feeling soft and glowing. Ingredients: banana, 1 ripe, honey, 1 teaspoon. Optional. A few drops of lemon juice for brightening or yogurt for extra hydration. Steps to make the mask: peel a ripe banana and mash it into a smooth paste using a fork. Mix in 1 teaspoon of honey. Add a few drops of lemon juice for brightening, or 1 teaspoon of yogurt for deeper hydration. Ensure the mixture has a smooth, lump-free texture. How to apply: cleanse your face and pat it dry. Spread the mixture evenly over your face and neck, avoiding the eyes. Leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash with lukewarm water and pat dry gently. Banana and Honey Mask. Banana. Rich in potassium, vitamin C, and B6, it hydrates and improves skin elasticity. Honey. Keeps the skin moisturized and helps heal minor blemishes. Bonus tips for glass skin. Layer. Your skincare. Apply lightweight hydrating products like toners and essences in layers to deeply nourish your skin for a radiant glow. Use facial massage techniques. Massage your skin daily to improve blood circulation, reduce puffiness, and enhance absorption of products. Eat skin-loving foods. Add foods rich in antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamins, like salmon, nuts, and leafy greens, to boost your skin from the inside out. Consistency is the secret to Korean glass skin. Share your favorite recipes in the comments below, and let's build a community of glowing skin together. Great skin doesn't happen by chance. Start your skincare journey today, and remember, consistency is key. If you enjoyed these recipes, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more skincare secrets.